Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your premium subscription in LinkedIn. So I'm in my LinkedIn profile page, and on the top you will see your profile image with me. Tap there and you will see premium subscription setting. Click there. Now in this page you will see manage premium account, and below that you will see cancel subscription. Click there. Now in this page again you will see cancel subscription. I have 15 credit remaining, that's why you can see cancel and lose 15 credits. So you have to click there and confirm yes I am sure. Give a reason and confirm the cancellation. Now confirm again. So that's it guys. Likewise you can cancel your premium subscription in LinkedIn. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.